Hey everybody, we're diving into the wild world of digital marketing today. It's how businesses connect with you online, through websites, social media, and more. It's like this. Imagine trying to sell lemonade, but instead of a stand on your street, you're on the internet, a giant digital highway. Everyone's vying for attention. It's exciting, it's challenging, and it's where the world is headed. So buckle up because we're about to navigate the ups and downs of this ever-changing digital landscape. We'll break down the hurdles and highlight how some big names crushed it. First up, technology. It's the backbone of our modern world, driving innovation and connecting us in ways we never thought possible. It changes faster than my dating life, which is saying something. Just when you think you've got a handle on the latest app, a new one pops up and you're back to square one. New platforms pop up constantly. It's like a never-ending game of whack-a-mole, where each new app brings its own set of rules and trends. Keeping up can feel like chasing butterflies with a net full of holes. The moment you think you've caught up, something new slips through the cracks. One minute it's all about the gram, the next it's a whole new app with dance moves I can't even pronounce. And don't get me started on the ever-changing algorithms. This constant evolution means businesses need to be agile, adaptable, and ready to learn new tricks. It's not just about keeping up, it's about staying ahead of the curve. Imagine baking a cake with a recipe that changes every 5 minutes. One moment you're adding sugar, the next it's salt. That's what digital marketing with tech feels like. It's a constant juggling act, requiring marketers to be versatile and quick on their feet. They need to analyze data, adapt strategies, and implement new tools, all while keeping an eye on the latest trends. It's about staying informed, experimenting, and not being afraid to say, okay, I need to Google how this new thing works. Continuous learning is key, and sometimes the best way to learn is by diving in head first and figuring it out as you go. Webinars, online courses, and virtual meetings have become essential tools for staying updated. They offer a wealth of knowledge and insights from industry experts, helping professionals stay on top of their game. Reading tech blogs, following industry news, and engaging with online communities are also great ways to stay informed. The tech world is vast, and there's always something new to learn. As we look to the future, the pace of technological change shows no signs of slowing down. Embracing this change and staying adaptable will be crucial for success in the digital age. So, while the challenges are many, the opportunities are even greater. With the right mindset and tools, we can navigate the ever-changing tech landscape and come out on top. Now imagine sailing a ship without a map or compass. You'd be lost, directionless, and at the mercy of the elements. That's what it's like trying to do digital marketing without a solid strategy. You need a plan. Without it, you're just guessing and hoping for the best, which is not a sustainable approach. This means identifying your target audience, understanding their online behavior, and crafting messages that resonate with them. It's about diving deep into data, analyzing trends, and really getting to know who you're speaking to. Think about it. Are you trying to reach Gen Z with memes, boomers with emails? Each demographic has its own preferences and habits. Tailoring your approach to fit these nuances is crucial. It's about knowing your audience and speaking their language. Whether it's through social media, email marketing, or content creation, the key is to be relevant and engaging. But here's the thing, the digital sea is vast and ever-changing. New platforms emerge, algorithms shift, and consumer behaviors evolve. Staying static is not an option. That means your strategy needs to be flexible, adaptable, and constantly refined based on data and analytics. Regularly reviewing your performance metrics and adjusting your tactics is essential for staying ahead. It's about being smart, not just loud. In the digital age, success comes from making informed decisions, leveraging technology, and being agile enough to pivot when necessary. So, chart your course wisely, stay informed, and navigate the digital waters with confidence. Let's be real. The internet is one crowded party. Everyone's vying for attention, from startups to big corporations. Standing out in this digital sea requires creativity, originality, and a deep understanding of your unique selling proposition, USP. What makes you special? What's your brand's jam? Figure that out and shout it from the digital rooftops. It's not enough to simply exist online. You need to capture attention, spark interest, and give people a reason to choose you over the competition. Think outside the box, be bold, and don't be afraid to make some noise. Section 5. The algorithm enigma, decoding the platform's rules. Ever feel like social media platforms are playing a game you don't understand? You're not alone. Many users and businesses feel the same way. You post amazing content, but it disappears into the void, getting little to no engagement. It's frustrating, right? Welcome to the world of algorithms. These complex and often secretive codes are the gatekeepers of social media. They determine what content gets seen and by whom. It's like a hidden hand guiding the visibility of your posts. Algorithms change constantly, making it a real challenge for businesses to stay on top. One day your content is trending, the next day it's buried. It's like trying to win a game where the rules are constantly changing and nobody tells you the new ones. Imagine playing chess, but the moves keep changing. To succeed, you have to learn the basics of SEO, engage with your audience, and stay updated with the latest trends. Adapting to the platform's whims is crucial. It's not just about posting content, it's about understanding what the platform favors at any given moment. Think of it as a dance, not a sprint. You need to be flexible, creative, and ready to change your steps as the music changes. Educate yourself continuously. Read up on the latest algorithm updates and social media strategies. Knowledge is power in this ever-changing landscape. Attend webinars, follow social media experts, and join communities where you can share insights and learn from others. When you crack the code, the rewards are immense. Increased engagement, more followers, and ultimately, greater success for your brand. So keep learning, keep adapting, and keep dancing to the rhythm of the algorithms. Your success is just a few steps away. Section 6. Data privacy, a tightrope walk between personalization and protection. Data is the new gold rush. It's how businesses understand their customers and tailor their marketing efforts. But with great data comes great responsibility. Consumers are increasingly concerned about their privacy. Imagine someone going through your trash to learn about your shopping habits. Creepy, right? That's why transparency and ethical data practices are crucial. Businesses need to be upfront about the data they collect and how they use it. They need to obtain consent, provide opt-out options, and prioritize data security. It's about building trust, not breaking it. Section 7. The learning curve, continuous education in the digital sphere. Here's the thing about digital marketing. It never stops evolving. New technologies, platforms, and trends emerge constantly, requiring marketers to be lifelong learners. Think of it like a video game. There's always a new level, a new challenge, a new boss to defeat. The key is to stay curious, embrace learning, and be open to experimenting. There are tons of resources available. Online courses, industry blogs, conferences, and communities. It's about investing in yourself and your skills to stay ahead of the curve. Knowledge is power, especially in the digital age. Section 8. Case Study, Netflix. From DVDs to streaming giant. Remember when Netflix used to mail DVDs? They adapted to the digital revolution like a chameleon in a disco. They embraced streaming, invested in original content, and personalized user experiences. They were like, forget snail mail, we're going digital, and look at them now. They're basically running the entertainment industry. This wasn't luck. It was strategic planning, risk-taking, and a deep understanding of evolving consumer behavior. They saw the change coming and rode the wave instead of getting crushed by it. Section 9. Case Study, Airbnb. Disrupting the hospitality industry. Airbnb, you guys. They took on hotels by saying, hey, what if you could stay in cool places, meet new people, and skip the overpriced room service? They leveraged the power of user-generated content, built trust through reviews, and created a community. They were like the cool kids at the party everyone wanted to hang with. They disrupted a traditional industry by embracing technology, empowering individuals, and offering something different. They proved that innovation and a customer-centric approach can lead to massive success. Section 10. Conclusion. Embracing the challenges, reaping the rewards. Digital marketing is a roller coaster. It's fast-paced, challenging, and constantly evolving. But it's also incredibly rewarding. It allows businesses to connect with their audience on a global scale, build meaningful relationships, and achieve incredible growth. Don't be scared, be prepared. Embrace the challenges, stay curious, and never stop learning. In the end, it's all about adapting, innovating, and creating something awesome in this digital playground. Peace out!